So the partner now is going to be on my side control, and I'm blocking him before he gets a hold of me. It's a transitional escape. So the way it works, I'm going to do this angle first. He's on my right side. My both arms are blocking like a frame. Okay, I kind of block here. Okay, keep strong, heavy. I move my head out, then my hip, and I keep wiggling. Follow me, try to follow me. Don't push the arm out, pull the arm to the body, and then keep wiggling and wiggling and wiggling until the knee's up. Once the knee's up, blocking the second leg, you pull and get under the person until you can get all the angle to get the leg wrapped around the waist. Let's see another angle. Both frames in the front, head out, hip out, and keep turning. Head out, hip out, head out. Crunch a little bit your elbow, and then hip knee up. Before you roll, pull, move your hip under, and you always be able to get that foot around. Last angle. Block. Wiggle and turn. Wiggle and turn. Wiggle and turn. Knee up. Pull. Now bring your hip under. Wrap around.